Is the BOJ on the cusp of making some moves on its YCC?
So our house view is yes. I mean, I have to say Asia is very desynchronized because Japan is on the opposite extreme, where we think across Asia, their policy stance is so accommodative, even increasingly more accommodative. So based on the inflation data, we just had some wage data last week, does suggest that inflation pressures are building. But having said that, I think the signaling coming from BOJ Governor Ueda does suggest that they still want to maintain this level of accommodation because they're not yet confident that we're at sustained level of 2% inflation. So we definitely do not see them adjusting on the negative interest rate policy. Having said that, I think given the repricing of global yield curve, right now we've had a little bit of dollar weakness, but again, the risks of this rate differential putting pressure on the yen, I think does suggest we may have to be moving closer towards some adjustment in YCC. So we are expecting in July we will see some YCC adjustment, potentially kind of shortening duration of the YCC. But having said that, because right now, the YCC is not yet binding, even if we make some adjustment in YCC, it doesn't really suggest that policy, there's a signaling effect, but it's not really suggesting that it's really a tightening yet. It's just a signaling towards a path toward normalization. But yes, we are expecting that they'll probably move starting in July.